Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Now let's talk about a potential airdrop called Common. As you can see, it marked as a potential airdrop, so I think you should join. As you can see, it has 20 million funding, so it's a real big number. And if you're looking for its backend investors, then see big names like Dragonfly Capital, Coinbase Ventures, and many more. So here you can see they have almost 19k followers on X, and they try to build a strong community, so that's a good sign. If you want the latest updates about the crypto and airdrops, then you can join our Telegram channel. Also, you can visit our blog where we publish the latest articles related to crypto and airdrop. So all links are in the description, so check them out. So let's jump into how you can join them. The process is very simple. When you see a page like this, you need to connect your wallet. Here I am using MetaMask. Then select terms. You need to set a username. Then next. Select a few interests of yours and then click next. Now you need to join a community. Then next. And here you go, you landed in the main page. So as you can see, it's like a social media where you need to do some basic tasks like likes, follow, and you can build your community. But as you can see, it requires a small amount of fees, so keep in mind. And that's all. There's nothing much to do here. So if I have any updates about this airdrop, then I'll definitely share with you. So if you like this video, then share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.